Bethany was very helpful to us because we were first-time home buyers and we were unsure about the entire process. So she walked us through everything from the smallest pieces to the biggest pieces and helped us to anticipate some of the questions and struggles we were going through.
So we had a short window in which we had to make a very important decision in our lives, and it was amazing to have someone with Bethany's perspective and experience and bedside manner, frankly. Bethany helped us with perspective around pricing in a market that obviously we didn't have any experience in, which is a critical piece, in addition to just thinking about how to make our offer, how to structure that offer, how to, in a very competitive market, how to try to differentiate our story, our personal story, and how important that actually was ultimately in getting the house that we wanted.
Buying a house is all fun and games until you lose your dream house. And it's really an emotional roller coaster to try and go and look for another house that you think is as perfect as the one you just lost. And Bethany makes it fun and keeps the spirit up and helps you to go find your home.